Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by opening your HTML and CSS files. Make sure the element you want to style actually scrolls. In many cases, that will be body or a container with overflow, auto, or scroll. Once done, add a stylesheet rule for the element and prepare vendor-specific selectors. WebKit engines use WebKit Scrollbar pseudo-elements, while Firefox uses the Scrollbar color and Scrollbar width properties. Make these initial edits now so we can apply coloring in the next step. Now implement the detailed rules. For WebKit, write selectors like element, WebKit Scrollbar width, 12px and element, WebKit Scrollbar thumb background, #4a90e2, border radius, 6px. For Firefox, add element scrollbar width, thin, scrollbar color, #4a90e2 #f1f1f1 to pair thumb and track. Make sure to include hover styling on the thumb for interactivity and specify transparent borders or padding to avoid layout shifts when the scrollbar changes. Finish up by testing your new scrollbar in multiple browsers and screen sizes. Make sure the contrast between thumb and track meets readability needs and that rounded corners or shadows don't clip. If something fails, double-check selector specificity and that overflow is enabled on the right element. Also clear the browser cache. If an extension or user stylesheet still shows the old scrollbar, disable it or try an incognito profile. This single troubleshooting step often reveals why styles don't apply.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.